Discover space-saving perfection with the EasyHF 60cm black chest freezer. Slimline at only 35.5 centimeters wide, this compact freestanding freezer fits neatly anywhere, yet still offers a generous 53 liters of storage, with 7 temperature settings, adjustable controls, and a convenient removable wire basket. Your master manual defrost with ease. Designed to perform efficiently at any rating, it's backed by years parts and labor guarantee for peace of mind. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet Chick Chest Freezer 99 liters, a compact powerhouse for garages, dorms or tight spaces. It runs whisper quiet at 39 decibels with a hovering door for effortless opening, a rear roller for easy maneuvering, and a practical wire rack inside. With 4-star freezing, Unity molding liner, and 4-day fast freezing at capacity, it delivers reliable freezing while using energy intelligently and classy. You've got the purchase link, description and the pinned comment. Compact, clever and ready for any space, this Hong Kong tabletop freezer offers a generous 35-liter capacity with a top removable shelf for 2 levels of storage. Settable from -24 degrees to -14 degrees, it keeps meals and snacks perfectly frozen while sipping energy with an efficient low-energy compressor. Its reversible door fits any spot, from bedrooms to home offices. Without fuss and no assembly required, you've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In a compact, stylish little freezer, the Chick CSD D40U proves that big convenience can come in a 31-liter package with a 4-star freezing rating, a wide temperature span from 0 to -24 degrees, and a robust 2,000 revolutions per minute compressor backed by a 12-year warranty. It's built for reliability. Its adjustable thermostat, movable wire shelf, and reversible door make it effortless into any room. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.